5D perceptions on dealing with problems, moving beyond 3D chaos and conflicts. Throughout human history, we were always working to innovate, to make things better. Every community group and nation state worked their own plans, collectively moving in the direction that would solve problems. Together they identified the problems and then solved them. Every culture did that, every community did that, and every nation did that too. Now that we are all digitally connected, we are no longer exploring new solutions. Instead, we're bumping into one another. We're arguing about which side has a better plan. We debate our process as being better than your process. This describes the falling or the failing, crumbling perception of the dying 3D matrix. Now in 5D, we are emerging as a collective, moving into a higher dimension of consciousness, where we stop the debates and the arguments. Instead, we collectively focus on solving problems for everyone. We look for genuine solutions. We stop arguing about the proposed solutions. Instead, we listen to everyone who has something to share. We embrace all the ideas presented, and we build upon them. In 5D, we take our collective intelligence, our collective thinking. We talk openly about solving problems. Smart, intelligent people make suggestions. Loving and caring people add their ideas too. And we collectively build upon the best ideas. We focus and unite around them, emerging ideas and solving problems. What's best for everybody? That's 5D perception. From 5D, we'll quickly stop the battles, the pushing, the fighting, and the arguments. We just move to a higher level of consciousness through collective listening. Together, we focus our energy on genuinely understanding problems to reveal 5D solutions for the betterment of all. The Spiritual Quest.